Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis a few days ago, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And that's also what segues into the first update that needs to be done. And this update is based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's very important as far as today's price action is concerned. And I'm not patting myself on the back, but I am going to pat charts on the back. And if you don't believe me, that's fine. I'm not offended. You just got to go back in the video archive and you can watch the video that I posted on November 27th, I believe, but where I was talking about this level here as resistance, and then the price is now above it. And surprise, surprise, look right where the price happened to bounce from and find support. And then you go to the final portion of the day, and once again, price finding support right around that area. So from a technical perspective, that is exactly how you would want to see the price act. You want to see resistance is broken, then act as support, and that's exactly what happened today. Now, does that mean that everything is perfectly fine and that this thing's ready to go up to $7 by next week? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that looking at today's price action, as a kind of just little micro slice of how you would want to see things act, it did indeed act that way, and that's a nice, sign of strength. But it's also kind of really just goes to illustrate the importance of staying up above this 560-ish area. I'm not saying this is going to happen, but in the event the price were to drop below 560 and then continue on downwards, at that point, what would you have? Well, you would literally have the price right back to where it started before the nice bounce occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, like I said, but price movements with true power are not going to go back to where they were. They're going to make some sort of progress forward. And again, quote-unquote progress, I realize is just kind of a generic term, but that's why I like charts. They allow you to take generic terms and then assign numerical values to it. So yeah, progress needs to be made, and we are quantifying progress as $5.60. So that is definitely the important level going into tomorrow to close out the week. So yeah, let's see if the price can stay above 560 and show some signs of progress or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.